All right, I took a quick short earlier, so we're up 280 right now, but we're about to take another short right here at our zone line. Let's go ahead and go in 6 contracts on this. And we'll go ahead and execute our trade. This is oil. It's $10 a tick. Let's go ahead and for right now, let's go ahead with 15 tick profit target. We'll just keep our stop up here around 15 ticks for right now. We'll bring that in. We'll bring that in here in a second here. Again, oil's $10 a tick, and haven't quite decided what our profit target is going to be on this. Let's look at our rollover. Today's going to be a rollover day, and here's our 2 contracts for August and September. We're going to roll over to September here shortly. We also have an oil report today at 10:30 a.m. Eastern. So we're going to go ahead and stick with the August contract right here. Okay, so everything's good. And all right, so we'll just sit here and wait. Like I said, we're going to pull in our stop here. Let's just see what the market does right here. We got to keep an eye on our zones. These are Archer zones, and then we also look at our targets for our profit targets. Those are the little red circles on our 2-minute chart on the right. Okay, let's put this in at break even right here. All right. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and put a put a little line right here where our profit target is so you can get a better idea of what we're kind of shooting for here. This is going to be a support level we're working from right here. And I'll go ahead and we do this in the room too. I'll go ahead and label it so our traders in the room have a decent idea, have a good idea of where they can possibly put their different their profit targets and how to adjust their risk management. Everyone's risk management's a little bit different. Okay, so here we go. We'll just put the profit target right there, and that line represents, let's see, we'll put it on top there. It makes it a little easier to read. I wonder if I can make this bigger here so you can see it. I know there's a way to do this, but I think what I'll do is just go ahead and leave it at this size right here. You get the gist of it. I think I have to go to font, but anyway, we're getting pretty close to this thing, so I'll just leave it be for right now. Anyway, we're hitting off our profit target, 15 ticks right here. That's the 15 ticks times the 6 contracts times the $10 a tick. You can do the math on that. There we go, 1,180. Remember, we're up 280 already on the day. I had to put in a small trade earlier. Okay, long position. Yeah, 6. We're up 1180. We'll go another 6 contracts in here. Now this is going to be more of a scalp. Okay, this isn't. We're not going to go for a big chunk on this one right here. Okay, we got too much support here, so and we have, which is turning into a resistance for us right now. So we are going to maybe take 8 or 10 ticks out of this market on this one. It's just going to be a little kind of a dead cat bounce. All right, got our stop into break even here, so we're in pretty good shape here. You know what? We're having a hard time getting past this point right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take us out because the market's gonna come down here pretty soon. So I don't want to get too greedy on this thing. And let's just go for 8 ticks times $10 a tick times the 6 contracts. 6 times 8 is 48 times 10 is 480 plus the 11 and what, I don't know what we're up, 1200, something close to 1200. Oh, there it is. So we're up 1660 on the day. We have oil report coming out pretty soon, so I think we're just going to take it easy. we're looking at these support resistance levels right here, and those are our targets we use.